Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. You have to start by open eSmart Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Right here at the left side we have EQ, what means equalizer. You need to tap at this button. And at the second line we have deep bass. So to enable it, just click. If you have iOS, you need to click at the button near to it, use it. Or if you have Android, you will have a line, so tap at the deep bass, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.